Hi, and welcome to another video of Simple Ruby programs. Today I decided to write a program for a dictionary. I'm going to use hashes for this dictionary. Hashes are actually known as dictionary in Ruby as well. And how it works is you will give them a key and you will define a meaning for that key, and whenever you ask for the key, it will print the meaning of it on the screen. It is very simple and very straightforward. First of all, you just define your keys and their meaning, and then after that you can use puts to print any of your key that you want and the meaning of any of your key that you want. So I'm just gonna write it down here. Define your key and meaning, and then just print them. Since I'm going to do a dictionary of acronyms, I just write down a couple of the acronyms that I'm going to use in this tutorial: ASAP, DIY, AKA, FYI, and VIP. First of all, we're just going to start with writing the name of our hash. I've decided to put the name acronym. And then you put an equal sign and open a curly bracket. And just easily start writing your keys and the meaning of them. So 2 dots, ASAP, that is our first key. Equal sign and an arrow sign. As soon as possible. Next one, DIY, do it yourself. And then AKA, also known as. FYI, for your information. VIP, very important person. So that's it. And then we're just going to print anything that we want randomly. So as you know, the way that we print is we use either puts or prints. I rather use puts, and then you will write the name of your hash. Here is acronym. You can use any other name that you want. Acronym, and after that you open brackets. Inside of the bracket, 2 dots and the name of your key. So the first thing we're going to print ASAP. Next one, acronym. Going to print VIP. Next one, I'm going to print FYI. So then you can save it with Control S, and if you want to print it down here, you can just put Control B. Press Control B. So the first one is put acronym ASAP, as soon as possible. Next one is VIP, which printed very important person. Next one is FYI, and it's printed for your information. So again, very straightforward. If you want to make something like a dictionary or a key and the meaning of that key, you can use hashes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and see you in next video.